Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our complete guide on internal cleaning and repairing your device. Today, we'll focus on the steps to ensure your device is not only functional but also clean from the inside out. Let's dive in. Step 1. Gather your tools. To start, you will need a few essential tools. Make sure you have a precision screwdriver set to handle various screws, an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any static discharge, a can of compressed air for dust removal, isopropyl alcohol and cotton swabs for cleaning, a soft microfiber cloth for polishing surfaces. Once you have these tools ready, we can move on to disassembling the device. Step 2. Disassembly. Carefully use the precision screwdriver to remove the screws from the back panel of your device. Keep track of each screw and its location, as this will help during reassembly. Make sure not to force any screws that seem stuck, instead, apply a bit of penetrating oil if needed. Step 3. Cleaning the interior. Once you have the back panel off, use the compressed air to blow out any dust and debris from the internal components. Pay special attention to the fans and heat sinks, as they can accumulate significant dust over time. For more stubborn grime, take a cotton swab dipped in isopropyl alcohol and gently clean around the circuit boards and connectors. This not only improves performance but also extends the life of your device. If you find this task overwhelming or don't have the required tools, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can assist with any issues you may encounter during this process. Step 4. Reassembly. After cleaning, it's time to put everything back together. Carefully align the back panel and replace the screws in the order you removed them. Make sure everything fits snugly without forcing any parts. Step 5. Testing. Once reassembled, power on your device to ensure everything is functioning properly. If you notice any issues, it might be time to seek professional help. We provide a quote before repair, so you'll know the costs up front without any surprises. Additionally, if you're short on time, we also offer pickup and delivery at your home. This means no calls and no travel required on your part, making the entire process seamless. In conclusion, regular internal cleaning can significantly enhance your device's performance and longevity. Following these steps will help you keep your device in top shape. If you have any questions or need assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to us. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.